What's up guys, Josh Geltzer here, aka Olvin, is my artist name. We're over here standing in my art studio workshop. It's the back section. Got a couple works in progress. You can see over here, got a pair of skis I'm working on. Pretty much every art piece is out of here, but a little tour. Got my welder, handy dandy, my power tools, cutting machine, my fan for cleaning the shop out and chopping wood up.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what's all this stuff up here?
So over here in the middle section of my property is Airbnb furniture, and this is all going next month, and I'm gonna be turning this whole place into a creative workspace, like a WeWork for creative.
Oh,
Back
wow.
here is another like storage room. See, I got this my old surfboard. I'm gonna be turning into something cool. It's hard to see with the light, but it's
Yeah,
all right.
black surfboard in a dark room.
Yeah, right. Got my printer. Got some rockets over here. Those are fully usable rockets. Like,
Oh, what are the
I'll shine a
rockets?
light
Yeah.
over here in the corner. They're rocket frames right now. I have one of them up in the front.
Huh.
Yeah. So we do all kinds of stuff. I mainly work in sculpture, and I do paint, but I like to incorporate my paintings into sculpture. So if we go to the front, I'll show you. Don't mind the mess. My big old printer.
Wo man den so.
This is a piece that I did in 2018. I'm a fisherman, so this is a fishing gaff made out of glass and a Calcutta bamboo that I imported from Calcutta, India. I hand blew these pieces here. Little fishing hooks and trinkets. Go to the front. This is usually steel for when you're bringing in a massive fish to the boat, but I blew it out of glass.
Nice.
Part of a series that I started with working with natural elements. So this is a swordfish sword. I caught this swordfish when I was living in California, and I was fishing every day, doing charters and living at the marina. I was tapped into the commercial sword fishing people, so I'd go out with them, get some swords, dry the swords out, and I made a katana coming out of a skateboard. I grew up as a skater, so it kind of rallies between the weapon and the skate. Like, what I've always found fun is
I can see you jousting with that on a skateboard.
The most fun things in life are kind of like higher risk of danger. So hence the weapon. And then over here you got another weapon. This is made from a megalodon tooth that I found in Venice, Florida.
Get out, man.
Yeah, dude.
Like the movie Meg 2 is about to be coming out now.
So the Meg tooth from the Meg. It's a 150 million year old fossil.
Nice.
Yeah. So now focusing.
Yeah, it's good.
And then over here, this is a piece that I completed. It's supposed to be the bottom of a ringneck snake, which kind of has a similar color pattern to it, and the top is black. So I made this piece. Originally, I never resined it, and then it came to fruition over time that I built the frame recently. It took me 2 months just to build the frame itself. Crazy. It took me way longer to build the frame than it did to actually make the art piece.
Wow.
Yeah, come over here. Here's a Dave Chappelle I painted smoking a Dutch. This guy over here. I have a gallery where I represent a few other artists. So over here is Cool Man Coffee Dan. He's from New York. He blew up during NFTs when he dropped NFT collection and went crazy.
Yeah, it's got a Rick and Morty vibe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for real. So,
What's up, Luke? This is the rock you're talking about.
Skateboards I did 2019. Looked down to my clothing brand, and my artist name is Olvin. Olvin means wolf in Swedish. So if you look closely, you can see I engraved a marlin into the board. Looked down, it's supposed to be kind of like old English, you know, the dream. And then I got started in the art world doing graffiti. So Look was my tag when I was doing the street scene. And still tap into it every now and then, but Look is kind of what I go by. Like, like another nickname.
Cool, dude.
That's about it.
Yeah, thanks for the tour. Congratulations.
Thank you.